Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you some magic words. Okay, so this video is going to very magic full. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, please watch the video right till then, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner who wants to be impressive in English. So but please, my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. And please don't skip the video, watch the video right till the end. If you skip the video, that means you are going to miss the opportunity to which I am going to share with you in this video. This video is made for you, this technique is made for you. Okay, this is a very simple words, magic words, but I think most of the beginners, most of the learners don't know how to use these words in our day-to-day life conversation. Okay, so here I am going to share with you those words, and I am also give you a scenario, I am also give you an example how to use these words in our conversation. Okay, so let's get into the topic. So here I make a scenario for you, and the scenario is I think all of you have happened this scenario which I am going to share with you. The scenario is that school. Okay, so you everyone went to school. Okay, so where what the happened, all the students are talking with each other always. So that is a scenario. Okay, hear me out for few minutes. Okay, so start. The bell rings for the morning assembly. मॉर्निंग असेंबली के लिए घंटी बजती है. आफ्टर द असेंबली मीठी एंटर्स द क्लासरूम. असेंबली के बाद, प्रार्थना के बाद, मीठी एक लड़की का नाम है, वो क्लासरूम में जाती है. ओके, सो एक लड़का है जिसका नाम है कबीर है, वो मीठी से कहता है, कबीर सेड टू मीठी, हाउ आर यू मीठी, हेलो मीठी, हाउ आर यू मीठी. देन द मीठी सेड टू कबीर, हेलो कबीर, आई एम फाइन, एंड हाउ आर यू. Then the Kabir said to Meethi, I am fine too, thank you. Yesterday I was absent, so I could not do my homework. Will you please give me your notebook? देखिए फर्स्ट मैजिक वर्ड आ गया, प्लीज. हमें जब किसी से कोई चीज चाहिए होती है, लेनी होती है, तो उसके लिए जरूर प्लीज का यूज करते हैं. प्लीज कहने से सामने वाला हम्बल हो जाता है, हाँ इसको इस चीज की जरूरत है. Will you please give me your notebook? Then the Meethi said to Kabir, oh yes of course, please take it. उसने भी क्या बोला, प्लीज टेक इट. अगर आपने हम्बल उससे बोला कि प्लीज क्या आप मुझे दोगे, तो वो यस यस व्हाई नॉट, प्लीज टेक इट, तुम इसको ले लो. ओके, देन द कबीर सेड टू मीठी, थैंक यू. भाई आपने कोई चीज ले ली, पहले प्लीज बोला, आपने ले ली, फिर आपको थैंक यू बोलना है. थैंक यू फॉर दिस. मीठी सेड टू कबीर, वेलकम. ओके, सो एंड अब दो लोगों के बीच इतनी बात हो गई है. ओके, एक लड़की आती है, उसका नाम है एकता. वो कहती है, एक्सक्यूज मी, इज दिस योर बॉक्स मीठी, क्या यह तुम्हारा बॉक्स है मीठी. देन द मीठी सेड टू एकता, यस यस इट इज माइन, हाँ यह मेरा है. देन एकता सेड टू मीठी, ओके सो प्लीज मीठी, वुड यू शो मी योर स्टोरी बुक. Would you show me your story book? अब मीठी को एकता की बात समझ में नहीं आई कि उसने क्या बोला. वो बोलेगी पार्डन मिस, मतलब मैं तुम्हारी बात समझ नहीं पाई हूं, तो कृपया इसको रिपीट करो. एकता सेड टू मीठी, वुड यू प्लीज शो मी योर स्टोरी बुक. अब उसको बात समझ में आ गई मीठी को. देन द मीठी सेड टू एकता, यस यस व्हाई नॉट, टेक इट. ओके, and Meethi said to Ekta, where is my picture book? मेरी पिक्चर वाली बुक कहाँ है? एकता से पूछती है. Ekta said to Meethi, oh sorry, I left it at my home. देखिए वो भूल गई तो उसने उसके लिए सॉरी कहा. Oh sorry, I left it at my home. I will bring it tomorrow. मैं इसको कल लेकर आ जाऊंगी. Okay, so these are sentences. Then the other student named Ravi came and said, I made a mistake. Yesterday I made a mistake. I uprooted a sapling. What would the teacher say? कल मुझसे एक गलती हो गई. मैंने एक छोटा सा जो पौधा निकल रहा था उसको जड़ सहित अपरूटेड जड़ सहित उसको उखाड़ दिया. सैपलिंग मीन्स छोटा सा पौधा. आई अपरूटेड अ सैपलिंग. ओके, सो व्हाट वुड द टीचर से, मतलब टीचर क्या बोलेंगी. देन द मीठी सेड टू रवि, डोंट वरी, इफ आवर टीचर इज वेरी काइंड, हमारी टीचर बहुत ही अच्छी हैं. इफ यू से सॉरी, अगर तुम उनसे सॉरी बोलोगे, शी वुड फॉरगिव यू, वो तुमको माफ कर देंगी. देन द रवि सेड टू मीठी, थैंक यू मीठी फॉर गिविंग मी दिस वंडरफुल एडवाइस. थैंक यू मीठी, तुमने मुझे इस वंडरफुल एडवाइस देने के लिए थैंक यू. सो फ्रेंड्स, I gave you some magic words. These magic words are please, pardon, sorry, thank you, welcome. Okay, so these are magic words. How, and I gave you the example how to use these words in our day-to-day life conversation. Okay, so this is a very powerful word. Okay, these are very powerful words. So here I gave you a scenario and I make all the things, and after that I ask you question. You can make a scenario and you can make a question answer. Okay, not answer, you can make a question. You can make more and more question related to WH family. What will happen? It will help you to improve your creativity, to improve how to think in English in your mind. Okay, so I gave a scenario, and what are the question have I create. Okay, why did Kabir ask Meethi for a notebook? The second question is that who forget to bring a picture book? The third question is that what did Ravi do with the new sapling? The fourth question is that what did Meethi advise Ravi? So here I gave you 4 questions. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family. And I hope this technique will help you, and you can easily use these magic words in your daily day-to-day life conversation. So if you like my video, then please do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comment. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.